Oh, hello, Junkin buddies. Are you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. I'm unboxing another mystery box. Stay tuned. Oh, God bless me. I hope that I don't run out of power on my phone because I forgot to check and see if it was charged. But I got another mystery box from Etsy. So this one, if you remember, I did the one mystery box and it was a bunch of just junk from different eras. Although I have repurposed some of that junk and already sold it, so not junk to me. There's no such thing. That's happy junkin' right there. This one, if you remember correctly, I talked about that there was this one from like perfume bottles from, I don't know, I'll pop it up. Perfume bottles from the Ukraine or something like that, that I said kind of interested me. I got it. Because I'm sorry, it's like vintage antique perfume bottles from Europe or whatever it is. Well, when am I gonna get antique perfume bottles from Europe? Probably rarely, if ever. The box came not in really great shape. Crushed. As you can see, it's like concave up there. So this, it showed up right before Christmas. So it was caught in the Christmas crush. And I can't even read the country of origin on this. And the declaration page tells you exactly what's in it, which ruins the surprise. However, I don't know what it looks like, so I have not opened it. Nothing is open, so we are gonna open it and see what I got. This one was $19. I think it was $19. I don't know. I'll look. I'll figure it out. There's probably a receipt in here that will tell me exactly what I paid for it. I'm just hoping it's intact. I mean, this box does not look happy. Poorly done, Postal Service. And well, okay, we're gonna attribute 50% of the blame to the person who packed it because this is clearly too big of a box for this. Ooh. Okay, so got some bubble wrap and some fun stuff in there. Oh, I love grab bags. I love getting unexpected treasures. Okay, so first thing they sent me were candy. Awesome. Minky Binky filled toffee. Oh, I love toffee. I really do. That didn't need to be bubble wrap, but I got toffee. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's a lovely postcard. I am unable to read anything on the back of this card. However, it is super pretty. Vintage postcard. Very pretty. There's a lot in here, don't worry. That's not it. I didn't just get candy and postcards. Look how cute. Okay, so inside the bubble wrap, they've wrapped the actual items in these cute little packages. How cute is this? Very sweet. I'm liking this one better so far, just because it's neatly wrapped and very fun. Oh, and then it's bubble wrapped inside. Okay, so nothing's gonna be broken. It looks like they took very good care on this one. It's a perfume. It's a little perfume bottle, little antique perfume bottle. And I'm guessing that my green screen's gonna mess with this bottle because it's kind of green. If it does, I will pop up a photo of this so that you guys don't lose how it's just, there's something in it. It doesn't smell like perfume. Why do I have to smell things? Does anybody else, like, I need to give it a smell test. Okay, it's an even bigger piece. this was an Etsy mystery box. And you could choose, I think it said like women's mystery box or men's mystery box. There's 2 more pieces in here after this. And it wasn't expensive. That's what was really funny was I was like, well, there's a lot coming from overseas. Oh. This box is already way better than the last box. Look it's a candle holder, but look how pretty it is. Look at the detail on that. That is just very pretty. Very, very pretty. It looks like, I don't know, that looks like it's been repaired. See that bolt? I don't know if that's original. I don't know. I don't care. It's very pretty. So look at the colors in there, and hopefully, you know what, I'm just gonna photograph everything. I just photograph everything and show you guys, because I don't know what this green screen is doing, and that's what I've been learning as I'm using this green screen. I like the green screen because I don't have to clean. I'm just being honest with you. What's behind here isn't pretty. Oh, it's a wonderful crochet doily with 2 more packages inside. Look how cute this is. Okay, so I opened up the one package. There's this beautiful hand crocheted doily with 3 little packages inside the doily. How cute is this? They took a lot of time for that kind of money, considering I paid very little. I think total maybe $45 with shipping. Oh, look at this pin. It's a parrot. It's a parrot. Very cute pin. Definitely vintage. It says 15K on the back. Very cute pin. Let's see what's in one of the other little boxes, little treasures here. Oh, I love grab bags for this. I mean, seriously, I had no expectations going in, except that it said like vintage perfume bottle, women's. Oh, it's a soccer pin. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so first of all, it's a cute little soccer pin, but look at the back. Look at the pin portion of it. Okay, I'll just pop up a picture because that's not focusing. Cute pin. Okay, so here's another pin. I'm guessing, because it's another package, another little teeny tiny package. How wonderful is this surprise bag? I love surprises. Good surprises. Don't give me them bad surprises. Love how they've wrapped all these little treasures to find in here. And it's another pin. Oh, CCP, so it's Russian. Sorry, is that Soviet? CCP, and it's got like a dance flag on it with a pin on the back. Very cute. Very, very cool. And now, okay, so this is the last bundle in here. Put the box down. Last package. So last bundle in here. Love how they've wrapped all these. This is such a cute idea. It's like getting present after present after present. Give yourself a wonderful little vintage treasure. All of these are nice vintage treasures too. It's not like they just went through their garbage and loaded up a box. Woo! Really? It's a bag with another present inside. Look how cute this is. This is leather. Yep. Genuine leather. Somebody's a smoker. It does have a little bit of a smoky smell. Genuine leather. I don't know if you can read that. Genuine leather, but look how cute that clutch is. different with the little jute hemp. I don't know. So inside the purse is another package. Ooh, with bubble wrap. Now I know that the declaration on the outside of the box told everything that was in it. I avoided reading it. My husband did read it because he's Snoopy. He's like, what is it? And I said, I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Oh, wow. It's a copper plate. What a wonderful little treasure in there. That's unexpected. It's a copper ship plate. Oh, that's very nice. That is really, really nice. This whole box was really nice. Now you want another one. I want to open another one. These were great. I really like that. I may have to keep that one for a little bit. That one may have to stay for a little bit. I love copper. I think it's so pretty. And look at, it's just, I love the color of copper. I love the sheen of it. I love the way it looks. And it's just so cool. All this is like embossed copper. It's just a pretty. I've seen these before and I've never had one. So yeah, I'm probably gonna keep this one for a while. But some of the other pieces, I mean the little perfume bottle, that's probably gonna be for sale. And the purse, I love it. Aside from the smoke smell. I am not a smoker, so the smoking smell does kind of get to me, but it's not even like a purse. It doesn't even have, like, it wasn't a bag, a shoulder bag that the thing fell off, the shoulder strap fell off, so they're just sending you. It's not a shoulder bag. This is a proper clutch. And it's genuine leather. I mean, I could tell, it feels so nice. I love the feel of leather. I have to carry that one around myself for a while too. You know what? My iPad would fit nice in there. Nice little clutch for the iPad. I'm kind of happy. I'm in love with this. I don't know if I'll sell this or keep this, but it's so cool. This was totally worth it. I'm gonna put a link to, I would buy this one again. I would buy more from this seller just because I want to see what else I'd get. I love, okay, here's my review. In case you need a review. I would buy this box again just because of the way it was shipped promptly. I mean, I didn't wait. It came from overseas, so you wait a little longer anyway. It's not like you're getting it in 2 days, so don't expect to get it in 2 days. It's got to go through customs. It's got to do all that fun stuff. But then it shipped right away. I got more than the Etsy listing claimed, so that was pretty cool because I honestly thought I'd get maybe 1 or 2 pieces in there. And then to have the way they presented it was so cool. They individually, with the individual wrapping with little ties, it was like getting each piece as a new present. So that was wonderful. Nothing broke in that damaged box. Can you believe it? Like not one thing was damaged in that big crushed box. So the post office did their worst, but this person knew what they were doing when they packed it. So well done, you. So there's another mystery box for you. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click the link below. We've got more unboxings, more tutorials, and always more Junkin videos for my Junkin buddies. So happy Junkin, everyone. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.